Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from NYBot. In this video we are going to use TI-34 scientific calculator to use a statistical calculation with examples with this calculator. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's do some statistics calculations and learn how we can use this calculator. For statistics, we press second function and stat here, and on the screen we see one variable, two variable, and we will see three stat vars. At the moment they are not available. They will appear only if the calculation is done, which we are going to learn. So let's clear our data, and then data again. 4. This will clear all the tables, and this is just for example to show you. Let's enter these data as a variable 1 into L1. So 45 down 55, 55, 55, and then done. Press second function, quit. Now let's do some calculation. Press second function stat and select 1. And then in here we say which data, L1, and it says frequency of the data 1 because nothing is there, it's repeated only once. So we go down, and in here press enter. And in here now we see all the variables that are available, which I'm going to explain them one by one. So n is number of x or xy pair data points. X bar, y bar is the mean of all x or y values. This is sample standard deviation of x and y. And if you see this symbol, population is standard deviation of x or y. And these are sum of all x or y values, sum of all x squared or y squared values, sum of x, y for all xy pairs. A is linear regression slope or coefficient of our first variable. B is linear regression or y-intercept. This is for ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is B, our regression of y-intercept, and R is correlation coefficient. In two variable uses A and B to calculate predicted x value when input a y value. Is in two variable uses A and B to calculate predicted y value when input an x value. Statistics example 1. We want to enter this value. The value is already in the memory. Find the mean of these values. If they are not there, let's just press clear data and data 4. I cleared it and we are already there. Just type 4, 5, enter, 5, 5, enter, 5, 5, enter, 5, 5, enter. So 4 values. And second function, statistics, and 1, and then go down, calculation. So this will do the calculation and will give us all the values. Press clear to exit. Now to get the mean and extract it separately, exit by pressing clear. Press second function, stat. This is now different. As you can see, we now see different menu, 3 stat variables. This is because we did the calculation. So 3, we see the values, and we want x bar or mean, which is 52.5. But if I press 2, it's here. Now you can use it within your calculation for anything else that you want. But if you want to press equal, you can see it or simply use it. Let's say you want to do this multiplied by 2. We can do second function, this button, and then 3, and then 2 times 2. So, or if you want to store it in a variable x or y, you can do so by pressing. As soon as I press store, this value goes there, answer, which is 105, and let's say press it and store it into x. Now it has been stored and you can use it. Now let's have a look at the statistics example 2. We want to find at 45. So these are our data. Now we have, let's press data 4, clear everything. And now we have pair of data which has a frequency. This is X and Y. This is a number, this is a frequency. So pairs of data, and we want to find that. Let's enter 45, 45 down, and then 55 down. Now go to the right, 35 down, 25 down. So this is data, this is the frequency. Now let's get some calculation. Second function, stat. And then this time, because we have two variables, press 2. You see L2 has been selected because the frequency is in L2. So L1 is data, L2 is Y. And then come down to calculation, press, so the calculation is done. Press second function, quit. Now to get the value and evaluate it, X hat and evaluate it at 45. Now you can do second function stat, second function stat, and then number 3. And then we can scroll down until you see X prime. Or you could go up and get it. So now this is a value, we can evaluate it here, but this is a wrong way to do it. We have to exit from this screen, press second function stat, 3, go up, get X prime, enter. Now you see it on the clear screen. And 45, close it, and it has been evaluated, so we got the value. Now, statistics example 3. We have ADAS score. We have a score 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the scores are 73, 94, 84, and 78. Question 1 is find ADAS average grade on the 4 exams. So we have to get the average of these. Number 2, Ada found an error in the 2 of her test scores. Test 2 was changed to 88 and test 4 was changed to 84. Find the Ada's new average grade. There should be an E. And the 4 exams. So press data, and 4 to clear. And we enter these values, 73, and then down 94, 84. Oh, let's go delete. 94 down, and then 84 down, and then 78 down. It has been calculated. Now second function stat, and then one variable. So we go down until we reach clear and enter, and second function quit. Now the average of is yx bar, second function stat, and 3. So this is available here. If I press, so the number is 82.25. If you want to use it, you can do that like this. Now the second part was saying that test 2 should be 88 and 4 should be 84. Now to do that, press data, the first one, the second one 88, and then down the fourth one 84. 84, and just go down, you will exit. Now let's check it, second function stat, and we have not done the calculation. One variable, come down, do the calculation, and it is the same because the weight, the ADAS average did not change, remained the same, because in our data before at the bottom was one value, the other value, so when we changed it, it did not affect the result as we decreased one and increased the other one, and this way it did not have any effect. Now let's have a look at the breaking test data. This is example number 4 for statistics. we have test 1, 2, 3, and 4, and this is the speed of vehicle at kilometer per hour, 33, 49, 65, 79, and this is the braking distance in meter. For example, test 2 shows that when a car is driving at 49 kilometer, when the vehicle was driving at 49 kilometer per hour, the braking distance was 14.5 versus at 33 kilometer per hour, which was 5.3. So almost 3 times longer distance to brake, and the car should be stopped. Let's clear the data, and 4, and use the relationship between the speed and braking distance to estimate the braking distance required for a vehicle traveling at 55 km per hour. Now, the hand-drawn scatter plot of these data points suggests a linear relationship. The TI-34 Multiview calculator uses least squares method to find the line of best fit. Y prime is equal ax squared plus b for the data in the list. So we cleared the data already, and because we don't have 55, we will see from this data, which is linear, we will find out. For L1, we enter these values: 33 down, 49 down, 65 down, 79 and down. And for L2, let's go on this line: 5.3 down, 14.15, 45 down, 20.21 down, 38.45 and down. All the data have been entered. Then let's do the calculation. Second function stat, and this time 2 variables. Let's go and click calc. It has been calculated. Now from this screen we can see for our equation we find a and b, and we will construct our equation for y prime. If I go down, we will see a and b. This is a, the coefficient or slope, and this is minus 18, that's our b. Now press second function quit and second function stat, this time 3, and get y prime. Y is at the bottom, I'm going up, so that is y prime, and we want to evaluate it at 55. Enter. Here is the answer. At 55 km per hour, the braking distance is, so the linear model gives us an estimate braking distance of 18.59 meter for vehicle traveling at 55 km per hour. Thank you for watching. This was the full video instruction manual for this TI-34 Multiview scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.